This is for Bolton's young people. For the 15 to 24-year-olds who've been told you're not enough. For the needs, the care leavers, the young people written off.
I'm with Cameron today on we started the Boss Your Future programme this week, and it's been, what's it been like, Cameron? You explain to the audience.
Interesting.
What's been interesting about?
Well, as Jay said, yesterday was the busiest day we've had. But we managed to get through it. Yeah.
In terms of the busy day, what was you doing yesterday?
Cleaning cars, helping move tyres. I can't really remember much else.
It was a full-on day. Yeah. We had Autosmart as well came, didn't he?
Yeah.
They actually so kind what they've done. What did they do for us yesterday?
They gave us some free stuff as well as we bought some stuff, I believe.
Yeah. What would you like to say to Autosmart?
Just a massive thank you for believing in us.
Fantastic.
As well as maybe building that friendship more.
Yeah, it is all about friendships. You know, we see a lot of young people across Bolton as well, though. A lot of people who, have been failed and let down by the system. Now, we're not blaming anybody for that, but I think what we're doing is actually restoring that trust and that hope and that purpose, aren't we?
Yeah.
And what have we been doing today, Cameron? What have we been up to?
We did mini golf. I came second to last, I believe.
Taking part that matters, isn't it?
But yeah, it's all about taking part and having fun.
And what would you say to any other young person out there, Cam, who might be interested in joining the Boss Your Future programme, but might just be a bit nervous? What would you say to them?
Come down and give it a go. If it's not for you, then it's not for you. It's just about giving it a go.
And so it's all about giving it a go. If you don't step out of your comfort zone, you're never going to grow, are you? Bye from me.
See ya.
Started on these streets where the hope ran thin. Doors felt heavy, didn't know where to begin. Told to wait, told to fit the same old plan. But we needed more than talk, we needed a hand. Then the light came on in the heart of the town. A place where futures get built, not written off or down. Real people, real voices, someone who listens. Boss Your Future showed us what's been missed. They said, you've met us, and they meant it this time.